Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah ke sengi kilong. Kei kaba kibreu na nong ston ki sngau halor ke jingkin tiap seng UMLA. Duna kendai pu kendai lak teli ki tenrai deng latung hakisnam arhajar arpau hadu arhajar arpau saw. Kem drok ki noyalam HYC na laingut ki Samla na mod pran. Ban keli UMLA mau plang halor ki surok ha mau plang constituency. Tumantang ni apai syaki Khubor ki bakambria. NAKA jing Peit seng uba Gabriel Walang UMLA bat MDC ke Nongstoin constituency ubala job naka Kongres bat lej penyasopat bat ka National People's Party NPP NAKA liang jong unong lum Khubor ulayo ban tuat jingmut naki paj ba nong song jong ka Nongstoin constituency. Kumno kisngau hadin bau MLA jongki ubala job naka we ka party ka badon hakaliang persya henreitang hadin shisnem shiteng ulalit penyaso syakawe bat ka party ka badon hakaliang sensyar. Kei kajing angnur jongki hadin ba UMLA jongki uladon menta bat kaliang sensyar. Habayakran bat katu ka ningut ki breu na Nongstoin don na pedeng jongki ki balapan pau kajing sngau kemen hadin ba UMLA jongki ulalit syaka NPP. Kabadon hakaliang sensyar bat kami lenti ban wanra kajing kela hakadong kathan habaro kiliang. Don ru ki balapan pau ke kajing sngau diaw. Henry Shillong ba i hakajing start jong u. Lada ula trebha ula ban nang yo e kajing syania nakipat ba Henry lada umla ban trebha lesi da kajing le jong u ula ban du ya kajing syania kipat ba. Pan kamsyai tungin sngap e kasur jong katu ka nungut. Jong katu ka ningut ki breu nakithan Nongstoin.
Ni sini dah kaduna hi kajing kan jing yu kan mon marba kemudian sarkar de jenjar hi mo tengba lalu lek gom dia pat tu jing sela jung utip leh keren taki praspa ne kenur mo bo anong mam dah tang chani ate kena tu tak kan mo
Tementa bai dana sarkar ke yo hikmilti yum ki pai ba pa
ya mengite hikmilti bai ba mo kadu tribha nani sekmat te kami yo jing sene isu para nang teman tre te yu se udan ta kabor mo
UMLA ka UMP ba UMP tugaro sa ikut tang hajing ai mau nongrem singoi hap
ya hakata te ni de bumbi ka Shillong hi kum tamon sekarang tate nde ba ngi shuin mar alap de ba long kum tate kadon hi kum ta ba shubu ta ting shubu kai ta kimon rem remo mandon da tre hok te yuda kidan gi jaka bala tre babun kim tre ta nom ta
pisanya bakane ka sarkar NPP kan ai bentalang lane kan ai development na menta kini lai teli konstitusi ba mi na kongres pisanya kan NPP
di sini ada nyap sana hi trai ka sarkar de mo makil ale te sindale trai ki MLA jongi sini mo kun ka berial trai uhaban ya kre
Ladon hadu kendai pu kendai lak teli ki tenrai ding balatung nadu usnam arhajar arpo hadu arpu saw Khuborjylla bat nakini kumbah nyau pulai lak teli ki im pentep menteri rangba Khuborjylla konrat ke sangma haying dorbar. Haba jubab halor ka jingkili ba wanra da UMLA ka VPP na mau ringkeneng ba HS Kharpran menteri rangba ula pentep ru bala pendut kumba shis paklur tengka naga benta bantung yakite ki tenrai ding hakaleng kisnong Khuborjylla. Ula ong ru ka sarkar kadang pan na ka jinga trelang bat ki borsnong knang ban penim kambon ki tenrai ding.
Manner, talk to each other and ultimately keep our focus on the main objective of climate change and sustainability rather than getting down to only becoming implementing agencies and scheme-based departments and basing our success only on the basis of the check dams we created rather than the water that we conserved. So that's the basic idea, sir, but there's much more to it. I have limited time, so I'll not be able to explain, and plus it's beyond the scope of the question, sir. But I was happy to just share those thoughts with the honourable member.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Martin, please.
Sir, I believe that tree plantations undertaken by the state government were done on the different schemes. So may I know on the which scheme, sir, the tree plantation were carried as far as the numbers of trees are concerned?
Yes, sir. It is correct. There are different schemes in different districts that have been taken up. Just to give it a rough idea, I won't go into the details, sir. So under the Forest Department, approximately 26,78,413 saplings were planted. Under the Soil and Water Conservation Department, approximately 32,61,496 saplings were planted. Under the MBDA and MBMA, 40,38,433.
Hakamiet arpu pratarik Nailar ke HYC kala khandra ya kinong di drok hamot pran. Nakani ka jing khandra kinong yalam jaka seng kila yo ban kemno langut ki Samla bat uwe na pedeng jongki ude unong di bat unong di ru hakaju kapor. Layo ban seyo udrok na kamet jongki bat uthernia injek. Hadin ba kinong yalam ka seng kila yo ban kini ya ute udrok kila thang da kading. Ute udrok uba kila yo lum ulong kumba prat tendong. Bat kinong yalam kaseng kila ajing sneng yakite ki Samla bakin kela bat kin wad ya ublay bakin yo ya kajing em ka bathamai. MLA kamau plang ba MB kurba ulawan ra ya kamat ya tai hayeng dorbar halor ka jingshna ya ki surok hamau plang constituency da ka ba kenturu ya ka sorkar bandon ki jaka yat ki jat ha ki jaka yo haba jubab halor kane usembut menteri rangba ba preston tensong ula pentip ba ki dan sau teli ki project naga benta kamau plang constituency halor ka surok mau plang shawai loy balawan ra da MLA kamau kerwat ba renekton nakaliang usembut menteri rangba ula ong ba kakam kadang yat bat kmi lenti batang shuyo kajing menjur enla ban pendep kam kloy.
Teaching Minister Sajid Judi for the reply. Just because, sir, farmers constitute around 70% of the population in the state. However, the road condition in the villages are so bad that they cannot bring their produce to the market. May I suggest the government to also seek funding for construction of rural roads other than construction of highways and state highways. My next question, sir. In the reply to the question B, number 2, I'm not understanding the meaning of T02 to Mawa Maharshie. It is not clear, sir, this answer. And number 3, with regard to the road from the Maplang Road, Maplang Balat Road, Wa Ampampia to Wailoy. Sir, is there any plan to construct footpath along these roads, especially in the market area? Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I request the honourable member through you, sir, to repeat the question at least one by one, then I can reply accordingly, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. Answer the question number 2, sir. May I get a correction on this, sir? T02 to Mawa Mount Khashia.
Sir, yeah, T02 to Mau Kharshi. In fact, this is the original nomenclature which we already proposed and submitted to the government of India. Therefore, it is also reflected here, T02. But
MLA Kamaulai ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ulawanra daka 0-hour notice halor ka jingkhanglut kidukan hakajaka penyeng bos ha Interstate Bus Terminal Mauyong Rim nakadaw bamwan poisyo ki bos syakane kajaka. Haba jubab halor kani usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Snyab Halang Dhar ula pentip bahaka saw tarik naitung keladon ke jingyalang halor kani kapang. Ulaya thuru baka sorkar kala kren halor ka jingdu jong kitu ki bashimwai yakite kidukan badon ha ISBT.
That it is my responsibility to place it before the House and before the government to look into this matter because as we are all aware that ISBT was inaugurated in the year 2021, none other than the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, Mr. Amit Shah, and with high hopes that this ISBT, one of the reasons that this ISBT was constructed at Mauyong Rim is to decongest Shillong city. And at the same time, through the ISBT, it has helped many local vendors who have been given to run small shops near and within the ISBT. But then, sad to say that presently, for the past 9 months, the ISBT is still closed. And therefore, I would like to place before the government whether is there any plan on the part of the government to help these shop owners and others for the loss of their livelihood in the form of income that derive from these shops that is there in ISBT. And another point that I would like to place on record before the government is that the government do the government plans to fully utilize the ISBT even when with the non-arrival of the buses in these bus terminal. In fact, with the non-arrival of buses in the ISBT, this ISBT, it has become a ghost building. And I fear that in days to come, it will lead to many anti-social.
UMLA kamelim ba RV lengdo ula kentui ka sorkar Jylla bahkan penyaso no daka surok na lau sotun syaka NH40 ha apa Shillong kenang bahkan pensuk yakipat ba ki baju mat man kapor ya kadheng kali. Habaju bab halor kane haki kenta keli jengkeli hayeng dorbar usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Preston Tensong ula pentim bayakane ka surok ka sorkar kadang penkrek menta ya ka detailed project report bat kumju kidang up ya ka jingyo jingbit na katenat forest ban pentelun ya ka kam.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 66A, yes, sir. B, sir, the status of DPR preparation is in progress and forest clearance is also awaiting. And C, sir, does not arise in view at A above.
Rooney, your supplementary. So I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister because he had given an assurance earlier in the House. And sir, may I request through you, sir, may I request the Deputy Chief Minister if he can follow up with the forest clearance. And then another thing, sir, to my honourable member from Nong Thumai, I said that half the cabinet lives in his constituency. So I'd like to inform you, the Honourable Chief Minister has a house in my constituency, sir.
Oh my God.
And most of the members have to pass through Upper Shillong, sir, to reach Shillong or wherever they want to go. Sir, may I request the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, if that is the condition for, giving additional allotment through the supplementary demand, may I ask?
Ka Red Ribbon Club bat ke NSS unit Ribhoy College nongpo bat ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max haka step arpo kendai tarik Nailar kilapan long ya kejingya kop marathon kaba pra kilometer ya kaba latip kum ka district level Red Run Youth Festival arhajar arpusau halor kapang protecting the future empowering youth against HIV AIDS. Ya kini kejingya kop marathon la sedang na Ribhoy College lenter ka surok ba bat phai pat nasionong paham rio bat perkut hakmat jong ka college. Kinong job hakani kejingya kop marathon hak kerdan baningkong na kishenrang la ra da usamla skemlang suba hak kerdan baar la yo da usamla monas bongrung bat hak kerdan balai da usamla Jensen Makri. Kadba nakalyang kikentei ya kanam la do la ra da kasamla Filinza Hensepi haka kerdan baar layo deka samla Barlin Silyang bat haka kerdan kebalai deka samla Sildaris Makri. Kinong penyat kilasam deki buskit sya kinong job hakani kejingya kop marathon.
1, 2, 3.
Shibanta ban rakhe akan National Sports Day haka arpo khandai tarik Nailar Khubor district ka West Giant Hills rengkat bar ka office district sports kilapan long da ka inter school competition hamadan kiang nang ba stadium Jowai kijingya ko balapan long haka ni ka sngi ki kentup kadat mupon bat ka jingya ko tan telai bala shimbanta da ki khana kan thei bat shinrang uba ki pasa assistant director sports and youth affairs haka jingkran Ulayat ho baka National Sports Day la sedang ban rakhe nadu ka arpo hendriu tarik mentau benai da ka jingale kai badminton. But ha ka sngi sajan ban wan kan sadon ka jingale kai sports ki khna na ka banta ka grassroots football center. Hene ka sngi hadien balakut ka jingya kop la sam buskit chiki kun hon bala wan ningkong baar bat balai. Ha ka jingya kop dat mupon ki kan thei bala job Kilong deka HK Singh Memorial Secondary School Jawai, baar ka kiang nang ba Government Higher Secondary School, balai ka QC Springside Higher Secondary School. Hakadat mo pon kishenrang, la job kami mentedu RC Secondary School, baar ka Marion Hills Higher Secondary School, balai deka Jantia Higher Secondary School Jawai. Hakajingya kop tan telai ki kan thei la job daka HK Singh Memorial Secondary School, baar ka Jantia Higher Secondary School, balai pat ka Marion Hills Higher Secondary School. Kajingya kop tan telai ki shenrang la job daka Jantia Higher Secondary School, baar ka Kiang Nang ba Higher Secondary School, bat ka balawan balai ka de ka Marion Hills Higher Secondary School Jowai.
Sports Day to everyone present here, to all the students and also the teachers who are principal, headmaster and mistress who are present here with us. So first of all, I would like to thank all the participating schools for taking part in this National Sports Day celebration, that is the conduct of the Datmo Point indigenous game of our people, of our tribe, and also the Yatan Tale, that is the tug of war. So I thank all the participating school, especially the principal, the headmaster, headmistress, and also the teacher in charge of all the school. Thank you for taking part and be a part of this celebration. We as the department, we have
Ka Office District Sports Southwest Khasi Hills kala rakhe ya ka National Sports Day 2024 Kabala penlong ya ka jingya kop kawang maupon bat ya tan telai na kabenta ki khna school hakani ka district. yakane kelumpung Yakob la penlong hamadan artificial turf MDSA nonglang kibalawan bercimbenta da kajing shong shit na buon teli ki school rengkat kinong hikai jongki uba damang sengkon DSO Southwest Khasi Hills ula ong kajing penlong yakane ke third inter school invitation kawang maupoin bat yatan telai tug of war competition hajar arpusau kalong banyas no oktilang bat kari India baro kawe hakajing rakhe yakasngi kerpang jong u major Dhyan Chan uwe neki klur le kai hockey jong kari hakajing Yakob tan telai tug of war naki shenrang yakanam lado lara daka JKMP secondary school mau kerwat persya ya connectivity HS school bat nagabanta ki kentei connectivity H school karara yakanam lado persya ya JKMP secondary school mau kerwat hakajing lekai kawang mau poin jugi kentei ka Hillland Presbyterian UP school kalayo yakanam lado persya ya Christian Principal Academy bat naki shenrang ka Modern Academy secondary school kala penrem ya Christian Principal Academy lasa miki buskit syaki kenhon hakane kasngi
Kalian ke office yang district sports officer masuk kemensi boleh dengan New York and organize ya kini National Sports Day mata kasih at pendai terik yang August. Bagi je celebrate kumong mene man muslim bandaki ya jingdap snem ni kasih ka kejong Major Dhyan Chan being hockey player upa pauna dari India. Belajar ya ke Olympic medals pada 1928, 1932, dan 1936. The Lycean Inter ula Wandra ya kanam Olympic gold medalist na menta kari jongi hi borok way kani na takadaw bang likhi ya kani ka National Sports Day te mo ki pat hangni ngir khi ya kani ka National Sports Day hamo kurwat bani organize ya kani inter school maupun competition kani ka Lycean kumjuru ya ka tug of war They organize lu ya Khubor ni programs hakini ki
Khubor bapenya ya Kemenken Christian Higher Secondary School bhoi rembong bakon thop yo principal ba everlasting pengrop kinong hikai bat baro ki khana school kilakit bok ya team football na kanika school kabalami khmat ya Meghalaya International Inter-School Subrota Cup Under 17 Boys jong ki shinrang kaban sa sedang hanong ba New Delhi haka tarik Nailar Haka albu khandai tarik Nailar la penlong ya kajing lang kitbok kirwiang ya kani ka kunhun kaban mi na school ban late shanong ba New Delhi. Haka ni kasngi na lor kinong penyat school la don lang ki kunhun seng bhalang na kani ka district. U principal jong ka school ba everlasting pengrop ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen bat jingkermen ka bakrau ba ka Menken Christian Higher Secondary School kan poi sya ka thong jingjob kum kala adu haka ni ka lumpung Yakob. Ulaong kani kakabuk siar kalawan ra ya kanam kaburom na gabenta ka school bat ki khna ki ba puli hangni ula kurkhu kordo ya ka kunhun barok ka wei hakane ka jingya lenti jongka ula kunturu ya ka team ban pen I hamadan ya ka core sporting spirit kum kinong ya le kai badon burom
class 10 but class 12 exams ka jong thi but kum jo but kham tam ya kini ki ban represent ya ka state but kham tam ya kini ka thain ka jong hi to
Hey.
Kramo di kedai school ko ori boy district jungi di kalau lomka jingku krau ya kena ka dong boy beach ni bagi bagi kena genders 15 boys kibela le ha Bengaluru kilai le kai bha jadi don ki kena jungi ru kibala lek bani mi kmat lang na kena ka team sukman chika dia ladom kalau lomka jingku krau bagi kena ki jungi ki le kai bha joka temri boy ki jungi Bangi bagni ka tem ro hajni ka don ke potential ka ba crowd ha hajni dai bat ka football. Mo ka de snam ka ba sa jikin ma history jongka district ka ba baro lightly ki team kin dai mi khmat ya ka state ha ka national ha ka international level habro lightly ki category te artli kila le kai bha ki kethai ki larem no ha ka quarter final tang sigol ni Manipur dan regni ki under 15 boys kila wanra ya ka jingjob ya ai ka jing ku kerdo ya ka team jong ka nongjiri presbyterian sendiri lawan ra ini trupi ka jing sorong ka jing kemen ya ka ne ka dong tha jingi pa ya ka jelahi ka wei ba ha sin ka banukong kala penkala na ka 14 cha ka 15 years age ya ka school nongjiri presbyterian ki lawan ra ya ka ne ka jingjob ni santana ai ka jing Khubor ya ka team ba ya ka school hibro ko wei kinok nya ki bala tristam ban penur long ba ka team kan no ka champion.
Bada kitu ki Khubor ngila poish ka bakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang Khubor shibun.